How to deactivate your Messenger account. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily deactivate your Messenger account. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to deactivate. Then you can find the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Once you get to menu, go to settings. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center. Once you land on the Account Center page, you want to go to Personal Details. Go ahead and tap on it. Now right at the bottom, you'll have the option for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that. And then on the second option, you have deactivation or deletion. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account, you can simply go ahead and tap on deactivation. Then you will find your accounts that are connected to Account Center. Select Facebook since your Messenger is connected to Facebook, and select the first option. Deactivating is temporary and your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things that you've shared. You will still be able to continue using Messenger, but if you don't want, you can completely deactivate that as well. Now select the first option and then tap on continue. Make sure you don't select the second option because it's going to delete your account permanently. Now once you tap on continue, it's going to ask you, say that all of these pages will be deactivated as well. I'll just tap on continue again. And then it will ask you for your password. Just go ahead and enter your password. Tap on continue and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.